Hi students, now welcome back our favorite video channel GVS. This is B Ramesh. Now let us continue the same topic maths junior intermediate mathematics 1A. In previous class we have to discuss product of two maths and solving two sums. Here continue the same model. In our textbook example number 2, the sum is if A equals to 1 minus 2 3, 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 2, and B equals to the matrix 1 0 2 0 1 2 1 2 0. Then examine whether A and B commute with respect to multiplication of matrices. Already solving one problem, that is the first one. We check AB and BA that are not equal, therefore A and B are not commute to each other with respect to multiplication. Already solved. Now here one more problem is given. Now here also we have to solve this problem. So in this given two matrices A and B. So here examine whether A and B are commute with respect to multiplication of matrices. So first of all we have to observe the orders of these two matrices equals to 3, and also these are clearly square matrices. Now here both AB and BA will be exist. So first of all we write the condition. Since given matrices have same order 3 by 3 square matrices. Same order 3 by 3 square matrices. Then AB and BA both exist. Then the product AB and BA both exist. Now we have to take A into B, that is AB. Already given the matrices A and B. Now we write to the two matrices 1 minus 2 3, 2 3 minus 1 minus 3 1 2. This is the first matrix. In the second matrix B is 1 0 2 0 1 2 1 2 0. So clearly in that number of columns equals to number of rows in the second matrix. Therefore here multiplication will be exist. So here we have to follow the procedure. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. Now our resultant matrix of order also 3 by 3. Now in that matrix we have to take the procedure R1 C1, R1 C2, R1 C3. Similarly the second row R2 C1, R2 C2, R2 C3. Third row R3 C1, R3 C2 and R3 C3. So these are the elements in the resultant matrix AB. Now here we have to take R1 C1. So in the first matrix we have to take first row, in second matrix we have to take second row. Now here we have to observe 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 2 into 0, so minus 0, plus 3 into 1, plus 3. Similarly we have to take the second column, first row, 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 3 into 2, plus 6. Next one is R1 C3, R1 C3. So 1 into 2, 2, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, 3 into 0, 0. This is the first row. Similarly we follow the second row, R2 C1. So now we take second row and first column, 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into 0, plus 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Similarly 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, plus 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Similarly we have to take second row, third column, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, plus 6, minus 1 into 0, plus 0 or minus 0. Next we follow the third row, that is R3 C1. So third row and first column, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, plus 1 into 0, plus 0, 2 into 1, plus 2. minus 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, plus 1, 2 into 2, plus 2, plus 4. Similarly, third row, third column, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 1 into 2, plus 2, 2 into 0, 0. Now we can simplify that. 1 plus 3, 4, 6 minus 2, 4, 2 minus 4, minus 2. And also, second row, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 4 plus 6, plus 10. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 1 plus 4, 5, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4. So this is our resultant matrix AB. This is also having the same order 3 by 3. Similarly, we have to follow BA. Now, here we write the second matrix B. We have to take, that is the first one, 1 0 2, 0 1 2, 1 2 0. The second one is 1 minus 2 3, 2 3 minus 1, minus 3 1 2. So ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ని మనం ఫాలో అయితే, now we have to take the first row R1 C1, R1 C2, R1 C3. So this is first row, this is first column. So 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 2, plus 0, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Similarly, we have to take second column, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 0 into 3, plus 0, 2 into 1, plus 2. 1 into 3, 3, 0 into minus 1, plus 0, 2 into 2, plus 4. Now we have to follow second row, R2 C1, R2 C2, R2 C3. R2 C1, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 0 into minus 2, 0, 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 1, plus 2. 0 into 3, 0, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2 2 is 4. Similarly, we have to follow third row, R3 C1, R3 C2, R3 C3. So R3 C1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, plus 4, 0 into minus 3, minus 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 into 3, plus 6, 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 3, 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 0 into 2, plus 0. Now we can simplify that. In this, 1 minus 6, minus 5, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 minus 6, minus 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 1 plus 4, 5, minus 2 plus 6, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is our resultant matrix BA. It is having the order 3 by 3. Clearly we have to observe AB and BA. Here the orders are same, but entries are different. First we observe the first row, first element. In the matrix AB, the first element is 4. In that the first element is minus 5. So here the remaining elements equal or not. Here first we check the first element which is not equal. The remaining elements are equal and first element is not equal. So therefore these matrices are unequal matrices. So therefore AB is not equals to BA. That means the matrices A and B are here. To find, examine whether A and B are commute with respect to multiplication. Now here we write, therefore the matrices A and B are not commute to each other with respect to multiplication of matrices. So this is also very, very important sum. It is given so many times, given 2 marks in IPA level. This is the solution for this question. So we note the problem. Now the next sum. This is example number 3, page number 71, which is also very, very important sum. This is also given so many times, 2 marks. So here given A equals to the matrix I0, 0 minus I. Then show that A square equals to minus I. Here we have to observe this is small I, this is capital I. So here small I can be taken as, this is the complex number, square root of minus 1. And capital I can be taken as unit matrix of order 2 by 2. యూనిట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్డర్ 2 by 2. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోండి, ఏ యొక్క ఆర్డర్ 2 by 2, ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఆర్డర్ కూడా 2 by 2 నే ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఆర్డర్ 2 by 2 అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ మైనస్ ఐ ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే కంపల్సరీగా ఐ యొక్క ఆర్డర్ ఏమై ఉండాలి, 2 by 2 ఆర్డర్ కలిగిన యూనిట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయి ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి క్లియర్లీ వీ హావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ స్మాల్ I మీన్స్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ -1. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాంప్లెక్స్ ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్. This is the imaginary number. Square root of negative numbers. Square root of -1 is already denoted by small I. So here capital I means 1001. Minus I means we have to multiply with minus to both elements. That is -10, 0, -1, which is denoted by minus I. So here clearly we have to take I equals square root -1 and I. Now in that to find a square. So a square means we have to write a into a. So already a is given, I0, 0 minus I into I0, 0 minus I. Here first of all we observe that in these two matrices number of columns equals to number of rows in both two matrices. So here we have to take first row, in this we have to take the first column. So I into I plus 0 into 0, I into 0 plus 0 into minus I, 0 into I minus I into 0, 0 into 0 minus I into minus I. So this is our the matrix A into A. Now it can be simplified that I into I means I square. I square plus 0 means I square. In this I into 0, 0, 0 into minus I, 0. So this is 0. In this also 0 into I, 0, minus I into 0, 0. In this is 0, minus into minus plus I into I square. So this is I square. Clearly we have to observe I square means already discussed. Here I equals square root -1, I square, squaring on both sides. Now here square root -1 whole square, square root and square cancel. The value of I square is -1. Now we substitute I square value is -1, 0, 0, -1. Clearly we have to observe in this we have taken -1 common. So minus of 1001. Now 1001 means unit matrix of order 2 by 2. So clearly we have to write I2 minus I2. Therefore our LHS is A square, RHS is minus I. This is our result of, this is the solution for this question. So the next one is, here we have to solve the problems in exercise 3B. So in the first one, given there are 8 sums, here we have to solve 4 sums. The remaining sums are same order sums. So in the first sum, given the first matrix is row matrix, the second matrix is column matrix. Now we check the orders. This is 1 by 3, this is 3 by 1. First of all, these two matrices are conformable matrices because of here number of columns in the first matrix is always equals to number of rows in the second matrix. So clearly this product is exist. So now we have to write first row, first column. So in this we have to take -1 into 5 plus 4 into 1 plus 2 into 3. So now it can be simplified that -5 plus 4 plus 6. So 10 minus 5, that is 5. So here clearly we have to observe the resultant matrix of order is 1 by 1. Now we have to take the number of rows in the first matrix and the number of columns in the second matrix. Now that is 1 by 1. So clearly here in the resultant matrix one and only one element is there. So this is 1 by 1 order matrix. So here the product of these two matrices equals to singleton matrix. Clearly this is called singleton matrix. Any matrix, one and only one element is there, then the type of matrix is called singleton matrix. Similarly, In this, we have to observe the order is 2 rows, 3 columns. That is 2 by 3. In this 3 rows, 1 column. This is 3 by 1. Clearly, we have to observe the number of columns in the first matrix equals to the number of rows in the second matrix. Now, here also the product will be exist. So, here we take first row, first column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Next, 6 into 1 plus minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Now we can simplify that. In that 2 1 is 2 plus 2 plus 4. In this 6 minus 4 plus 3. Minus 2 into 2 minus 4. Now it can be simplified. 2 plus 2 plus 4 that is 8. In this 9 minus 4 that is 5. So clearly we have to observe in that 2 rows 1 column is there. The order of resultant matrix is 2 by 1. Here also we have to observe, we take the number of rows in the first matrix and the number of columns in the second matrix. Now that is also 2 by 1. Here we get the order of the resultant matrix is 2 by 1. Similarly, which is clear, these are square matrices of order 2 by 2. The third one is, here directly we have to take first row, first column, first row, second column. Now we have to follow the procedure R1C1, R1C2, R2C1, R2C2. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. Our resultant matrix of order 2 by 2. Now using that procedure R1C1, 3 into 4 that is 12, minus 3 into 2 minus 4, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Next we have to take second row first column, 1 into 4, 4, 6 into 2 plus 12, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 6 into 5 plus 30. Now it can be simplified that in that 12 minus 4 8, minus 3 minus 10 minus 13, 4 plus 12 16, this is plus 29. So the order of resultant matrix is 2 by 2 because of the given two matrices of order 2 by 2 and also these are square matrices. Therefore our resultant matrix of order also 2 by 2. Similarly, in that matrix these are two square matrices of order 3 by 3. Now our resultant matrix of order also 3 by 3. Clearly we have to take in that R1C1, R1C2, R1C3, R2C1, R2C2, R2C3, R3C1, R3C2, R3C3. So this is our resultant matrix of order 3 by 3. Now using the formula for this problem. Here we have to take the first row, first column in the first element. So 0 into A square, that is 0, C into AB, that is plus ABC, minus B into AC, minus ABC. This is the R1C1. This is the R1C1. Similarly, we have to take R1C2, first row, second column. So 0 into AB, 0, C into B square, plus B square C, minus B into BC, minus B square C. This is R1C2. Similarly, we have to take first row, third column. So 0 into AC, so 0, C into BC, BC square plus BC square, minus B into C square, minus BC square. Similarly, this is R1C3. Next, second row, first column, R2C1. Second row, first column, minus C into A square, minus A square C. 0 into AB, plus 0. A into AC, plus A square C. Now we have to take second row, second column, minus C into AB, minus ABC. 0 into B square, plus 0. A into BC, plus ABC. Here we have to take second row, third column, minus C into AC, minus AC square, 0 into BC, plus 0, A into C square, plus AC square. Similarly, we have to follow third row, R3C1, R3C2, R3C3. So R3C1, third row, first column. So B into A square B, minus A into AB, minus a square b. 0 into ac plus 0. b into ab square minus a into b square minus ab square plus 0. Similarly, b into ac abc minus a into bc minus abc. 0 into c square plus 0. Clearly we have to observe in that abc minus abc are cancelled. B square c minus b square c will be cancelled. So all elements here the terms are cancelled because of one term is plus sign and one term is minus sign. They have same values. So minus a square c plus a square c minus abc plus abc minus ac square plus ac square plus a square b minus a square b ab square minus ab square abc minus abc. So total all elements cancelled. Remaining elements, the sum of all elements are equals to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So in that all entries are zeros, equal to zeros. Therefore the type of matrix equals to null matrix, which is always called null matrix. Symbolically it is denoted by O. The null matrix or zero matrix is denoted by O. Now we are given two non-zero matrices and multiply with one and another, then we get our resultant matrix is null matrix of order 3 by 3. So here null matrix of order 3 by 3 or 2 by 2 or 4 by 4 of any of order we have to equal to O. This is the symbolic form of null matrix, symbolically which is denoted by null matrix, that is O. So this is the solution for this problem. Now first Roman second sum. Here given two matrices A and B. Already this type of sum will be solved in examples. Here also same sum will be given in the exercise first Roman second sum. Here given two matrices. Do AB and BA exist? That is the first question. If they exist, find them. ఒకవేళ exist అయితే వాటిని find out చేయాలి. And also do the matrices A and B commute with respect to multiplication. So AB రెండు కూడా commutative property satisfy చేస్తాయి లేదో check చేయాలి with respect to multiplication. So commutative property with respect to multiplication means AB equals to BA or AB is not equals to BA. So here we check out of these two conditions. Now which condition will be correct here? So that is the final way. First of all, do AB and BA will be exist. First of all, we write given matrices. So given the matrix A is 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5 and the matrix B is 2 3 4 5 2 1. Here we have to observe the order of the matrix A is 2 rows 3 columns, that is 2 by 3. In matrix B, 3 rows 2 columns, this is 3 by 2. Clearly we have to observe in that number of columns in the first matrix A is 3, number of columns in the number of rows in the second matrix B is 3. Therefore these two are equal. So clearly these are conformable matrices, and also here AB will be exist. AB will be exist. And also we have to observe BA. First we write B. Now we take the first matrix is B. In that number of columns in B is always equals to number of rows in A. So here BA also exists. So since number of columns in A equals to 2 equals to number of equals to 3 equals to number of rows in the matrix B, that is also 3. And we have to interchange. Now we take the first matrix is B. Number of columns in B equals to 2, that equals to number of rows in A. Here two conditions will be exist. Therefore the matrix, the product AB and BA both are exist. then clearly the product AB and BA both will be exist. So that is the first question. Next, if they exist, find them. So if it exists కాబట్టి find out చేయాలి. Now we have to take AB. Now we write the first matrix 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5. The second matrix is 2 3 4 5 2 1. Now we calculate the product. Here first we take first row in the first matrix, first column in the second matrix. Here we write 1 into 2, the sum of the products. 1 into 2, that is 2, minus 2 into 4, minus 8, 3 2 is 6. This is the first element. Similarly, we take first row, second column. 1 into 3, 3, minus 2 into 5, minus 10, 3 into 1, plus 3. Similarly, we take second row, first column. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8, 2 into 4, plus 8, 5 into 2, plus 10. Minus 4 into 3, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, 2 into 5, plus 10, 5 into 1, plus 5. So here we have to observe, this is the order 2 by 2. Because of here, in that, this is 2 by 3. The number of rows in the first matrix is 2. The number of columns in the second matrix is 2. Now we take the order 2 by 2. Now our resultant matrix of order is also 2 by 2. Then it can be simplified that. In that 2 plus 6 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Here minus 8 plus 8 cancel. Only the value is 10. In that 15 minus 12, that is 3. So this is AB. This is AB. So AB equals to 0 minus 4, 10, 3. Similarly, we find BA. First we take the second matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. That is B. Next we take A. 1 minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5. Here also we to find the product of two matrices. Now we take first row, first column in the second matrix. 2 into 1. In the 2 into 1 is 2. 3 into 4 is, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. That is the first element. Next 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 3 into plus 2, plus 6. That is the second element in the first row. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 5, 15. So ఇది మనకి థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్, ఫస్ట్ రోలో థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్. అలానే ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ రో ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ తీసుకోండి. 4 into 1 4 అవుతుంది. 5 into minus 4 minus 10. This is second row first element. 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 5 into 2 plus 10. Second row second element అవుతుంది. So 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 5, 25. Second row third element అవుతుంది. అలానే third row first column. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Third row first element. So 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 1 into 2, plus 2. Third row second element. 2 into 3, 6. 1 into 5, plus 5. Now it can be simplified that. In that we have to observe 2 minus 12, that is minus 10. In that minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2. 6 plus 15, that is 21. In that 4 minus 20, minus 16. Minus 8 plus 10, plus 2. 12 plus 25, 37. So third row, 2 minus 4, minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. 6 plus 5, 11. Clearly we have to observe the matrix BA is minus 10 to 21, minus 16 to 37, minus 2 minus 2 plus 11. Now the order of that matrix is 3 by 3. So order of BA is 3 by 3. Order of AB is 2 by 2. So here clearly we have to observe the orders are not equal. First of all, in equal matrices, the property is, the first condition is, first of all orders are same, and that after that the corresponding elements are same. So here the first condition is fails. So orders are not equal. So here already if they exist, AB and BA are found. Now from these two we have to observe both A and B are not commute to each other with respect to multiplication because of the orders are not equal. Now we write the conclusion. The third one is, so since order of AB is 2 by 2 and order of BA is 3 by 3. Here in equal matrices, first of all orders are same. Here orders are not equal. Therefore, then orders of AB and BA are not equal. Therefore, AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. Hence, the matrices A and B are not commute to each other with respect to multiplication. So this is the solution for this question. Here we have to observe, first of all we take two matrices. Now we have to observe the orders. Here in both AB and BA. So columns of A and rows of B are equal, that is 3, and also columns in B equals to columns in A, rows in A, that is equals to 2. Now here both AB and BA will be exist. Then after that find AB and BA. Now here we have to observe the orders, and to check the orders in equal matrices, the first condition is fails. Therefore AB is not equals to BA. That means the matrices A and B are not commute to each other with respect to multiplication. This is the solution for this question. Note down. Now first row on third sum. Here given to find A square, given A equals to 4 to minus 1 1. Now we go to the solution. Given A equals to 4 to minus 1 1. So to find A square. Here A square can be written as A into A. Already A is given. Now we write 4 to minus 1 1. And also again we write same matrix 4 to minus 1 1. Clearly we have to observe these two matrices are square matrix are equal to itself, the matrix A. Now here we take first row and first column in the second matrix. 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1. This is the first element. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 1. This is the first row second element. Minus 1 into 4 plus 1 into minus 1. Second row first element. Minus 1 into 2, 1 into 1. This is the second row second element. Now it can be simplified that 16 minus 2, 14, 8 plus 2, 10, minus 4 minus 1, minus 5, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. So this is the A square. This is our result. Similarly, in fourth problem, already this type sum will be solved. Here given A equals to I0, 0, I. Find A square. Here also we write A square is A into A, which is equals to A into A. Now here we write the matrix A, I0, 0, I into I0, 0, I. Now it can be simplified that this is 2 by 2 matrices. Both are 2 by 2 matrices are equal to itself the matrix A. Now here also we take first row in first matrix, first column in second matrix. Now we have to multiply I into I plus 0 into 0. I into 0 plus 0 into I. Similarly we have to take second row first column. 0 into I plus I into 0. 0 into 0 plus I into I. Now in that it can be simplified that I into I square. So in this 0, I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0. So this is also 0. In that this is also I square. Clearly I square is equals to I equals to square root minus 1. Now squaring on both sides, I square equals to minus 1. Now we substitute minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Clearly we take minus 1 common. 0, 1. Now it can be written as minus 1 0 0 1 is always equals to unit matrix of order 2. So minus I2. Now clearly S square is always equals to minus I2. This is the solution for this question. Now the fifth one is, if the matrices A, B, C are given, A equals to I0, 0 minus I, B equals 0 minus 1, 1 0, C equals 0 I 0, and I is the unit matrix of order 2. Then show that the first condition is A square equal B square equal C square equal to minus I. Second one is AB equals minus BI equals minus C. So clearly given three matrices. These three matrices are always equal to of order 2 by 2. So here first we calculate the first condition. In this first one, to find A square. Now here we write A into A. A is already given, that is I0, 0 minus I. And also again we write same matrix, I0, 0 minus I. Now it can be simplified that this is 2 by 2 matrices, and here the properties exist. So now we take first row, first column, I into I square. 0 into 0, 0 plus 0. I into 0, 0, 0 into minus I, 0. 0 into I, 0. This is also 0. This is 0, minus I into minus I plus I square. Clearly, which is equals to I square means minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Now it can be written as minus I. Similarly, the second one, B square equals to, we write B into B. Now here B means 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Again we write same matrix, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. Similarly, we take the product, first row, first column, 0 into 0, 0. This is minus 1, 0 into minus 1, 0. This is 0, minus 1 into 0. So 1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, this is also 0. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 0 into 0, 0. Clearly, it can be simplified that the first element is minus 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is minus 1. Therefore, it can be also, we write minus I. Similarly, the third one. Sorry. In the first one, A square, B square, to find C square. C into C. So, C is 0, I 0. Again, we write same matrix, 0, I 0. Now, it can be simplified that 0 into 0, 0 plus I square. 0 plus 0, 0 into I 0, I into 0, 0. Now we take second row, first column, I into 0, 0, 0 into I, 0. I into I square, 0 into 0 plus 0. Now that equals to, here this is I square, that means minus 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is I square means minus 1. Now it is also equals to minus I. From both A square, B square, C square, we have to observe these are all equals to minus I. Therefore, A square equal to B square equal to C square equal to minus I. This is the first condition. Similarly, in second condition, to find AB minus BA. Now in the second condition, first to find AB. Now we take first matrix A, that is I0, 0 minus I. Second matrix B, 0 minus 1, 1, 0. Now multiply with first matrix to second matrix. Now we take first row, first column, corresponding matrices in the corresponding matrix. So I into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0. So I into minus 1, minus I, 0 into 0 plus 0. So 0 into 0, 0, minus I into 1, minus I. So 0 into minus 1, 0, minus I into 0, 0. Now it can be simplified that 0 plus 0, 0, minus I, 0. Clearly we have to observe, here we take common minus 1, here we write 0, I 0. So 0i, I0 is always equals to C, already given. So here we write minus C. Now AB equals to minus C. Similarly to find BA. So B means 0 minus 1, 1 0. A means I0, 0 minus I. In that we have to observe, here we take the sum of the products of the elements 0 into I, 0 minus I, 1 into 0 minus 0, 0 into 0, 0 minus 1 into minus I plus I. In that 1 into I plus 0, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into minus I, minus I. Sorry, 0. 0 into minus I, 0. Minus 0. Now clearly we have to observe, this is 0, I, 0. So here clearly we observe BI equals to 0i, I0. Now 0i, I0 is equals to C. So BI equals to C. So here multiply with minus. So minus BA equals to minus C. So in the first condition, AB equals to minus C. In that minus B equal to minus C. From these two, which implies here we have to write AB equals to minus BA equals to minus C. This is the second condition. So already first condition is proved, second condition also proved. This is the solution. Now the sixth one is, here the given two matrices A and B, here also to find AB and BA if it exists. Now we go to the solution. Given matrices, given the matrix A is 2 1 1 3. So this is 2 by 2 square matrix. And also the matrix B is 3 2 0 1 0 4. So here the order is 2 rows 3 columns. So that is 2 by 3. Now in matrix A, number of columns equals to, in matrix B, number of rows. Since number of columns in A equals to 2, that equals to number of rows in B. So therefore the product AB will be exist. Then AB exists. So here to find AB. So AB is, here we write the matrix A, that is 2 1 1 3. Next we write the matrix B, 3 2 0 1 0 4. Now here to find the product, here we take first row, first column in the second matrix. 2 3 0, 6 plus 1 into 1, 1. Similarly 2 2 0 4 plus 1 into 0, 0. First row, third column, 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 4 plus 4. Next we write 1 into 3, 3 plus 3 into 1, 3. Similarly we take second row, second column, 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 4, 12. Clearly this is equals to 6 plus 1, 7, 4, 4. This is 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 3, 6, 2, 12. So this is the product AB. Similarly, here to find BA also. First of all check B and A are conformable or not. Since number of columns in B equals to 3. Number of rows in A, which is not equals to number of rows in A. So number of rows ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 2 ఉన్నాయి, number of columns అనేవి 3 ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ number of columns equals to number of rows అవ్వట్లేదు కాబట్టి so here this condition, multiplicity condition fails. Then BA does not exist. Because multiplicity condition fails in this case. So this is the solution for this problem. Now in the first round, seventh sum, this is the last sum. So if A equals to 2, 4 minus 1k and A square equals to O, then find the value of k. Here given one condition, A square equals to O, and also given one matrix A. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Now using this condition and this matrix to find the value of k. This is very important sum, so many times given in IPE 2 marks. So this is very important. So in this problem, given the matrix A equals to the matrix 2, 4 minus 1k. Clearly we have to observe this is 2 by 2 matrix. Now to find A square. First of all, A square can be written as A into A. Here A means 2, 4 minus 1k, and also we write same matrix 2, 4 minus 1k. Now here these two matrices having same order, therefore my product will be exist. Now we take first row, first column in both matrices. 2 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1, 2 into 4 plus 4 into k, 4k, minus 1 into 2 plus k into minus 1, minus 1 into 4 plus k into k square. Clearly it can be simplified that 4 minus 4, 0, 2 4 is 8 plus 4k, in that minus 2 minus k, in that minus 4 plus k square, minus 4 plus k square. So this is the matrix A square. Already given one condition, that is A square equals to null matrix O. Since A square equals to O, now O means we take null matrix. Here the order of the A square is 2 by 2. Then here the order of the null matrix also 2 by 2. Here we take the order of the null matrix also 2 by 2. Because of order of A square is 2 by 2. Because of these two are equal. Here the orders are also equal. Now order of A square is 2 by 2. Therefore order of null matrix also 2 by 2. Now here A square is 0, 8 plus 4k, minus 2 minus k, minus 4 plus k square equals to null matrix. Here it can be written as 0, 0, 0, 0. Now clearly in that we take any corresponding elements. Here the first element is 0, 0. Here we take first or second element, 8 plus 4k equals 0. Now we have to write 8, now equating corresponding elements. We have 8 plus 4k equals to 0. In that 4k equals to minus 8, which implies k equals to minus 8 by 4. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, that is minus 2. Therefore k equals to minus 2. Now we take first row second element. Also we take minus 4 plus k square also. Here in that minus 4 plus k square equal to 0. So this is the solution. Now here we check. Suppose we take minus 2 minus k equals to 0, or minus 2 minus k equal to 0, which implies k equals to minus 2. In that also we get the value of k equals to minus 2. Or equating second row second element, minus 4 plus k square. Minus 4 plus k square equals to 0. In that we have to observe k square equals to plus 4. Here k square equals to k equals to plus or minus 2. Here we take k equals to plus or minus 2. Because of here in the first step 8 plus 4k equals 0, we get the value k equals minus 2. This is negative. So in this condition, in this case also k is equal to negative. So here k equals to 2 values are there. In that we take only negative value. So here compulsory we check these two cases, 8 plus 4k equals 0 and minus 2 minus k equals 0. Suppose we take that condition, in that k is having two values that are positive 2 and negative 2. So here only the value k equals to minus 2. So this is the solution for this question. So these are the solutions for exercise 3b and first Roman. So the remaining sums in the second Roman will continue in the next class. So in second Roman sums will be given in 4 mark sums. So these are in the first Roman sums are 2 mark sums, in second Roman sums, and remaining 2 sums are there in examples that are also 4 mark sums. So these sums will continue in the next video. So prepare and practice well, and remaining Roman number 1 sums also practice them. So wish you all the best. Thank you.